Hi, I am Divesh, a dedicated legal professional and contract specialist. My core offerings are contract drafting, contract review and redlining, legal research, and legal content writing. My key areas of expertise are NDAs, employment agreements, founders agreements, and proofreading and paralegal work. How I add value? By providing legally sound drafts, simplified complex clauses, on-time delivery, content 100% tailored to your needs. My core principles are that I provide documents that are clear and easy to understand. I adhere to all relevant laws and regulations. I prioritize your unique objectives and deliver solutions that exceed your expectations. Let's collaborate and discuss how my expertise can benefit your projects. You can directly message me or schedule a consultation and then receive a custom proposal. I look forward to hearing from you and helping you navigate your legal challenges with confidence.